Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Best essential oils to make stretch marks disappear. Stretch marks can appear on our skin when you experience sudden weight gain. Like when you become pregnant, gained more muscles at a rapid rate, or even undergo growth spurts, just to name a few. You can easily spot stretch marks on your skin by appearing as these reddish to purplish lines that become white afterwards. Although these marks are not exactly dangerous, those who are conscious about their looks may want to look for ways to alleviate their appearance, which is what these essential oils can help you with. Lemon, often considered as a bleaching agent. Lemon is perfect for fighting stretch marks as it combats free radicals from damaging the skin further while producing more keratin and collagen, which help in the production of healthier cells in the skin. Also, when combined with other ingredients, it makes the absorption rate faster too. Rosehip. Another essential oil that is helpful in treating stretch marks is the rosehip oil. This oil is actually extracted from the fruit of the rose and is quite effective in treating the old stretch marks in women who were just recently pregnant. Applying moisturizer that contains this oil has been found to be effective in smoothing the skin once more. Pomegranate. The combination of anti-inflammatory as well as antioxidants that are present in pomegranate seed oil helps in banishing stretch marks with regular use. This is because this essential oil increases your skin's thickness, elasticity, as well as hydration. If you want to get a powerful treatment, mix this essential oil with dragon's blood extract and apply on the damaged skin afterwards. Argan. Another essential oil that can help improve your skin's condition is argan oil. Extract from the kernels of the argan tree, this oil has the ability to boost your skin's elasticity, hence making the stretch marks become less visible with regular use. You can either consume this oil or apply on the affected skin to get the results that you are looking for. Neroli. Folk medicine makes use of the neroli oil to combat stretch marks and scars. Recent studies show that this oil contains antioxidants that can help with wound healing as well as skin regeneration. These essential oils are perfect for treating the stretch marks that can be found on your arms, hips, thighs, and legs. The best part? These are completely safe to use.